Welcome to International Fire. In today's video we are demonstrating how to install intumescent putty pads into dry lining boxes. The putty pads come in two different sizes, cross single and cross double. As you can see, the putty pads are very flexible, which helps with their installation. When fitting the putty pads internally and externally, ensure a tight fit is achieved. Once the putty pad has been completely installed into the box, we would recommend using a sharp knife to remove any excess material. For any further information or pricing, please contact our sales team on 01752 690997.